Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. Honest proof, hands-free cleaning works.
You vacuum on Saturday. By Tuesday, the floor looks exactly the same. Pet hair reappears, dust drifts back, and somewhere between work and dinner, floor cleaning just quietly becomes your unpaid second job. Sound familiar? A busy Canadian homeowner once said she spent more time cleaning around her old robot than without it. Does that feel a little too close to home? Every hour you spend repeating the same cleaning cycle is an hour your home still looks lived in by the end of it. The mental drain of managing schedules, remembering to empty dust bins, and reattaching mop heads adds up faster than anyone admits. One reviewer described it as cleaning the cleaning machine. But something has genuinely changed in the smart floor care space recently. This is where the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Robotic Vacuum Cleaner enters the conversation, and everything about your floor routine quietly shifts. The core idea is elegantly simple. One robot vacuums, mops, and then returns to a dock that empties the dirt, washes the mop, dries it, and refills the water tank automatically. Don't just buy any robotic vacuum. Make sure it has a self-washing and self-drying mop system, so you never suffer from the stale mop smell and contaminated floor streaks that follow every other robot mop on the market. A Finnish dog owner with 2 large breeds ran it daily for months and said it handles pet hair better than any manual routine she had tried. A Canadian user mapped 3 rooms in under 15 minutes on the first run and watched it clean under the bed where her traditional vacuum had never reached. The 6,000 PA suction combined with 3,000 vibrations per minute sonic mopping is the kind of detail that sounds technical until you see your floors. And here is the bonus insight most people miss. The night vision navigation means it cleans just as efficiently at midnight as it does at noon. Here is what daily life actually looks like with the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra running consistently. You schedule it once through the app, assign rooms, set no-go zones, and then largely forget floor cleaning exists as a task. One long-term user reported running it twice daily for over 3 months, with only 2 incidents, both caused by a fallen shoelace in a dark corner, not the robot's fault. Another user mentioned the entire cleaning path from docking to recharging took 13 minutes for his apartment layout. That is genuinely faster than most people take to manually vacuum 1 room. A Czech reviewer who compared it directly against a competing Roborock model found the S8 Pro Ultra navigated tighter spaces approximately 30% more efficiently, including chairs with barely 1 centimeter of clearance. The Red Dot Design Award jury called the combination of functions and visual design outstanding. Which benefit matters most to you right now? The mopping automation, the self-cleaning dock, or the navigation precision? Drop your answer below. The one quiet thing worth knowing, the dust emptying noise lasts roughly 15 seconds. 15 seconds of noise for days of hands-free cleaning is a trade most households are very happy to make. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Robotic Vacuum Cleaner genuinely gives you back the one resource no appliance is supposed to touch, your time. Demand for this model has stayed consistently high, and stock availability shifts more than most people expect at this tier. Thousands of households across multiple countries have quietly made this their last manual cleaning decision. Link in the description. First one, pinned to the top. Your future self will thank you for clicking it today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.